Welcome to Education Hub for Kids. A. A for apple. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. E. E for elephant. F. F for fish. G. G for goat. H. H for horse. I for ice cream. J. J for juice. K. K for kite. L. L for lion. M. M for monkey. N. N for nose. O. O for owl. P. P for parrot. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rose. S. S for sun. T. T for train. U. U for unicorn. V. V for vase. W. W for watermelon. X. X for xylophone. Y. Y for yak. Z. Z for zebra. Please subscribe our channel for new videos.